Hey folks, this is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin with another video here. Listen, I'm going to show you, okay, right in this video, basically how to make $30 per hour if you're shy, okay? If you're a shy person, listen, this is the video for you. You know how some people, like me, I love the video, right? And the video loves me. But some people don't want to be on camera. Some people don't want to show their beautiful faces like you, right? But this is a cool way if you're bashful, shy, or if you don't want people to see you. I'm going to give you a website right here on my computer that you can go to, and they'll pay you up to $30 an hour, okay? Is that cool? So, I know what you guys thinking. Why is my tongue so blue? Because I've been eating blow pops, baby. Let's go! Okay, check it out. Hold on. Let me turn my camera around. All right, look. Hey, I'm Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. If you don't know who I am, then you probably stay under a rock, because I'm all over the internet teaching people like you how to make money on the computer, right? You're in your bed, not at the job, not in traffic, but in your bed and making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year, per month, even per day here. So listen up, and I'm going to give you the websites, write them down, and you can start tonight. And these are cool ways to make $30 an hour. And I know that sounds crazy, but imagine laying in your bed, doing nothing but naked with your fingers here, making $30 an hour. And this is for if you're shy, you don't have to talk, you don't have to speak, you don't need any skills. All you need to do is follow exactly what I'm about to show you. Is that cool? Let's get it, baby. Okay, so the first site, remember this, you can always sub to my channel here, Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin, or you can like the video only if I give you value, if that's cool. Okay, and always comment below your country, comment, let's go, below as well. You know, it just lets me know where you are around the world here. So to make sure the videos I create for you can be used in your countries. Okay, the first site is here. Check it out. Boom! Go to 1888typeitup.com, baby. 1888typeitup.com, right? This website is a banger. Let me tell you why, because listen, you basically can go to this website and they will send you information. You transcript it like videos. It's a transcription service, okay? And they will pay you, okay, to transcript things on the internet, okay? It's a US-based company here, and it's real cool, okay? Does it make sense? Is everybody with me so far? And I love them because, check it out, it's easy to apply. And what the company said is this: if you can type up to, I think, about 20 to 30 30 words per minute, you're good to go. And let me give you one more site. Please pay attention here. If you want to check to see how fast you type, go to ratatop.com, okay? Ratatop.com, and you click the word start typing now, and basically you can test yourself, right? Okay? And then when you go back here, you let these people know exactly how fast you type. And they said as long as you have, I think, about an 80% rate. I think listen, this is super easy. I did it with one hand and I got like 25 words per minute. So with two hands, I'm pretty sure I can do like 40 or 50. But you don't need a lot of skill to do this. Take the test and go here, and they will pay you money for transcription services. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to do videos. All they do, they work with you via email here, and it's amazing. And check it out. Look, let's look down here, okay? They got the services, quote, apply. You got the jobs here. Now, one thing about this website here, you do have to take a test, and the test is super easy. I know many of my friends who do this. I don't do it personally, but I know other people that do it. That's why I'm giving it to you. And listen, this is not gonna make you $1 million, but it's some income that you can make up to $30 an hour here. You take an easy test, you pass the test, and then you start working from them at home, in your bed, in your drawers, in your panties. Okay? Is that cool? Now, let me give you another one. Listen up here. Boom, online writing jobs. How many of you can write? Okay. Hello? How many of you can write? If you can write, this site here, I've done my research. They pay the most money as it relates to people writing, okay? Just basically writing or typing articles or different blogs online, okay? Does that make sense here? All you have to do is scroll down here, okay? And you want to go where it says become a writer, okay? Because that's what you want to do. And you go to apply now. And as a matter of fact, let's do this. Let me show you some of the people that are already using this website here. Writer testimonials, okay? You see that? So these are people right now that are leaving testimonies of using the website. You know what? If you have a 9-to-5 job and you're like in your car driving to work every single day and you're making $10 an hour, I don't know what's wrong with you, because you can literally be at your house in your bedroom making up to $30 an hour. These people pay a lot of money. I know, because I pay people right now to write content for me $3,000 to $5,000 a month. Okay, these are regular people and they write for me, and you can do it too. Just apply it. Don't be like the losers and say, oh, I can't do this, I can't. Stop using the word I can't and try. Okay, so many people that said that they couldn't and they just applied and they got the job, and now they don't work at Burger King, McDonald's. They're not a waiter anymore. They don't do 9-to-5 jobs. They just work from home, okay? Well, listen, like I said before, this doesn't make you $1 million, but it will provide some income, and it is online because you have millions of ways to make money online. Hell, look, me, okay, I'm a multi-millionaire, but that's not a big deal. But I know a lot of you might say, well, Wesley, how much money do you make online, okay? How many people want to know that? How about I do this, okay? Let me shut a lot of my naysayers up, and let me log into one of my accounts, because I have about 10 accounts here. Digistore 24. Let me show you how much money I make online, and let me show you exactly what I do, and maybe this is something that you want to do as well, okay? Because I understand, I get it. I used to be broke. I used to have no money. I used to be crying and whining about my life, just like a lot of you, right? Always looking for the secret to success. Check it out. This is one company here today. And listen, never listen to a person now unless they log into their site or log in and show you exactly the amount of money they're making. You see that? That's $3,000 today. That's 8/21/2020. And I just made that August 24th, 2020. I make money like this every single day. How many of you would like to make money like that every single day? I do this in my sleep. I swear, like I do this every day. I do this while I'm licking on my blow pop, right, guys? But listen, I can teach you how to bring in all this money in your bank account if you listen, okay? In the description below, and as a matter of fact, I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. If you go back here, I want you guys to smash the like button right now if I gave you value, okay? And I just gave you an easy way. I know many people that are making between $10 to $30 per hour just transcripting jobs. It's easy, it's simple, right? If you can type 20 to 30 words per minute, it's simple. Listen, let me show you something here. If you go here to one of my little YouTube videos here, you'll look below. This is the site right here. Let me click on it for you, okay? And let me show you something, all right? Let me show you exactly. You see this young lady with this cute dog? She came to me. She was like a lot of you. You don't know how the internet works. You don't understand how to make money. But this young lady, I helped her go from $0 to $100,000 per month in less than a year. And now she, not me, she offers a training because I trained her. Now she's training thousands, 10,000 people to do it for them. You see that where it says done for you? She, if you don't believe me, not the dog, right? She, once you register right here by going to the bio of this video here, it is free of charge for the training, and she will show you exactly how she did it. Does that make sense? Because I taught her, okay? And if anybody want that, listen, I understand the internet marketing industry is not for everybody. And I understand that everybody, even yourself, don't want to be rich. But I want to give everybody the opportunity to understand this. And listen to me close. Look at me close. You can do it. Okay? You can do it. Don't ever let anybody on the planet, I don't care how many videos you watch, right? And I know we make it look easy. It is, but you got to put effort towards it. But don't you ever let anybody tell you that your dream is not real. Okay? Hit the like button right now. Look at me. Look at me! Don't ever let anybody on the planet tell you that your dream is not real. Okay? Smash the like button if you resonate with my message. If you use and listen to everything I shared in this video here, is it going to take work? Absolutely. Okay? Is it going to take focus? Absolutely. But does it work? Yes, it does. But if you don't work, it won't work. Okay? I don't care how many YouTube videos you watch. I don't care how many make money online, make money doing this. You still have to do the work. Okay? Listen, and I'm gonna let you go. Go ahead and smash the like button. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay. If you got brown eyes, smash the like button. If you got blue eyes, smash the like button. Listen. It took me 7 years to make my first dollar online. Okay? 7 years. I have 2 children. I grew up on the south side of Houston, Texas. No one believed in me except my mother. Okay? People around me said I would be a failure. I didn't graduate college. I barely got out of high school. I filed bankruptcy. I lost jobs. I've lost opportunities. I've lost money. I've lost cars. And I made a lot of bad mistakes in life. But listen, and this is for anybody that's still listening to me, and this is for anybody that wants to live that laptop internet lifestyle. It's possible. It's possible. I don't care if you're in Africa. You could be in Philippines, India. You could be in New York City. The coronavirus. It doesn't matter. You could be in a box right now. It's still possible. Once you change your mindset and believe that every video here, my YouTube channel below, I want you to look at it. All these videos that I've created, they work. These techniques work. I use them. Okay? But nothing works unless you work, big head. Okay, look at me. Nothing will ever work in life unless you work. Okay? Smash the like button if that resonates with you. Let's go! Smash it. Nothing will work unless you work. Okay? I make $1 million per month. Gross. 1 million per month. I'm not saying that to impress you. I'm saying that to impress upon you that it's possible. Why? Because I'm no smarter than you. I'm no brighter than you. I'm just like you, okay? No one taught me how to do this. I'm self-taught. I taught myself how to make money online. It took me a long time, but it doesn't have to take you a long time. You know why? Because I have the cheat sheet or the cheat guide right in the description below. It's a training that shows anybody, beginners, newbies, exactly how I do it. So guess what? In 30 to 60 days, imagine this, and I'm gonna let you go. All right, you go to the next video. Imagine in 60 days of you taking action, hitting that simple link in the description below, because I did it too, getting on a first class flight to Bora Bora with your beautiful girl or your beautiful guy in your beautiful bikini, drinking on your Moscow Mule, gents, or your tequila, right? Or your glass of champagne wine, maybe ladies with your girls, right? And you're hanging out. Everybody else, they working. They working for the man, grinding hard. And you out there on the beach getting a nice tan. Now, I don't need a tan because I'm already black. But maybe you need some color, right? Imagine doing that every day whenever you want to. Why? Because you took and made a decision that most people don't make. This is Wesley Million Dollar Virgin. Smash the like button, sub to the channel. Motivated, dedicated. Let's